So we're going to be making a very special, a traditional drink from Rajasthan. I'm from Rajasthan. And now to beat the heat over there, people would make kanji vada. लेकिन वड़ा कैसे खिलाऊं मैं आपको? So you'll be wondering कि अब कैसे बनाएंगे हम? Just check this out. The kanji with beetroot, radish and the carrots. This probiotic drink gets beautifully fermented under the sun. ये कैसा अजूबा है ना कुदरत का. Vitamin D boost हो जाता है. And it's packed with gut-friendly bacteria that helps with smooth digestion. One batch I made it 2 days back and I put it in the sun. But I'll show you before you put in the sun what to do. It's so simple and you can actually store this for a week in your fridge. Fill the jar, or usually just take the glass bottle and no other steel may, and because it reacts with sourness, right? So we'll take a glass jar and we're going to put the spices into it. I'm going to be putting red chili powder. The spice can be as you like. If you like it spicy, you can make it with more chili powder, salt, black salt, jeera powder, and one of the most amazing and important ingredient is sarson powder. Mustard seeds, the powder of that. You can use a yellow mustard, you can use the black mustard, whatever. Now we mix these. ये देखिए रेडी हो गया. That's it. इतना simple है. Just see that you keep this in the summer, especially for your probiotic boost, for your gut bacteria, the best gut bacteria, that too under the sun. Let's keep it in the sun now for 2 days. Now when it's very very sunny, एक दिन में ferment हो जाएगा. But if you feel it's not very strong, then you can actually keep it for 2 days. Now it's winter time and you need to still have something which is a good probiotic and good bacteria. You can keep it in a warm place for 3 days. It's so simple. Let's present it in the most amazing way, right? We'll take these glasses. So the smell is a little pungent. That's how you'll know that it's already done. And let's pour the water in the glasses. I had added the vegetables in the morning and I'm serving this to everybody for lunch. So the vegetables have got a little pickled. I have radish and carrots. Usually children don't like to have all these vegetables. So this is the best way we can serve it to them too. So now when you want to beat the heat, just cheers with a short glass of kanji pani. You love the pickled vegetable and yum.